I'm Krunal, the CTO and co-founder of Bacancy Systems. So the Bacancy system is generally working on specifically on EV domain, where the main key focus is tech side. We are not on B2C, we work as a B2B, ODM, OEM. So mostly our focus is to make it all the different components localized. So if I talk about the AC/DC, we have all different variety of AC controller and DC controller from 3.3 kilowatt single socket to the 22 kilowatt like dual gun type 2 or hybrids, all the AC controller. And we do have the different DC controller also for low voltage and high voltage like LVDC, then it is nothing but type 6 and DC001, CCS2, single gun, dual gun. We also coming with a different controller for the like splitter type of the fast DC charger also till 500 kilowatts and 1 megawatts. We also started the power module, which is another the area where we have to have a local solution. So almost to build any charger, almost all the parts, which are the main parts, almost 70% parts, we do the localization.